What's up guys, it's Kapono here. So today I'm finally going to be making another fitness video. Now this one's going to be kind of funny. You guys are going to get a kick out of this. So basically, whenever you go to the gym, I'm sure everyone knows this, everyone has a certain attire for certain days of the week because the certain workouts, blah blah blah. I know I do, but I'm going to tell you guys what I think about this and what I see people do, how they act, what the attitude is on certain days, what they wear, blah blah blah, all this stuff. So you guys sit back and relax, and I'm going to show you guys my opinion on what happens in the gym. First off, everyone knows Mondays are chest day. Don't lie, you know you go on Mondays for chest day. So let's just call that National Chest Day. So National Chest Day, everyone knows they wear something that shows off their chest. I'm not gonna lie, I do. I like to show off my chest. A little, just a little. But anyways, so everyone there is gonna probably be either wearing a stringer or no shirt. I'm just kidding. No, they're gonna be just wearing a stringer or some kind of thing that shows off the chest a lot. You know, they're gonna be flexing as much as they can, showing off them little, whatever, I don't know, showing off them pecs. And you already know the attitude that everyone comes in. They all come in, look for that bench, coming straight into the gym, going trying to find that bench, knowing there's only a few in there and everyone's there for National Chest Day. So we all know how that is. Look at me, I switched up my workout to a different day. Now the next one is gonna be back day. Now they're all gonna be in random order, but back day, okay, this is what I see. Now this is probably the most annoying day for me, considering all the people that come in there. First off, people will be coming in there. Okay, so this is what I see the people wear. They come in there wearing like either some kind of big baggy shirt or something that's like tight on the top, but loose, and I don't know, something or something like extra tight, like right here, like a small medium shirt. They walk around like they're the biggest thing in the world. And don't lie, I know a lot of people do it, and I'm not gonna. I don't understand how people don't think that we don't notice that. So just pointing that out, guys. Make sure you guys don't be doing that because you guys look like a fool. Really, you guys do. So they be walking around with their back all the way out. That's the funny part. Like I said, that's what I see. The attitudes are through the roof. It's funny. I used to do it actually back when I first started working out. You like feel that tightness. You're like, ooh, my shirt's all tight against my back. I feel big. Yeah, that's what I see. Third workout, let's go into leg day. Okay, now this is like, I don't get it. I don't know if you guys do this, but I don't ever wear thick clothes to the gym. But every time I see people do legs, they're always wearing a hoodie. Always. It's like, that's like the thing. Wearing a hoodie and then just throwing it over the head. Okay, they throw it over their head and they just make sure that their eyes are covered. No one can see them. They're in their zone type of thing. I don't get it. And it's either that or they're wearing them shorts that go way above their knees, and even if they don't have any legs, which I can't say I have legs either. I'm trying, trust me, I am. I've been hitting them twice a week, been killing it, but I don't be going in there with them shorts. But yeah, that's definitely what I see. And I wouldn't say the attitudes are pretty crazy. They kind of stick to themselves on leg day. But please don't be hitting squats and doing after squats. That's annoying, please. Arm day, okay? Arm day is another annoying day for me because that's the day that I see a lot of people standing right in front of the mirror and they make sure they wear a shirt. It might not be like a tank top or something like that, but it has to show their arms, has to. Or it's gonna be like a t-shirt that's super tight against their arms. Yeah, definitely. That's arm day, and they just love to pump iron. They pick up the heaviest dumbbell they can and just throw it over their, you know what I'm talking about. They be going crazy. Come on, guys. Yeah, that's funny though. I love it. People in the gym have the weirdest personalities and egos. Anyways, I do like arm day. I actually stopped doing arm day. I don't know. I felt like they grew too fast compared to the rest of my body. So you guys like only do arm day every day, watch out. You're gonna get unproportionate. Now the last day is shoulders. Now shoulders, I can't really say too much about it. All I can say is probably the most thing that pops out the most. I mean, people would just wear stringers to make sure they show off their shoulders. Try to see as much striations as possible and just freaking walk around with their traps like as big as, oh yeah, big like that. They definitely walk around like that, I'll tell you that much. You ain't got no big neck, guys, come on. So quit flexing it. No, I'm just kidding, I ain't making fun of you guys. No, because I got some weird big traps, especially when I work out. They pop out, but I never asked for them. They just came pretty easily. So that's what I see, guys, but I think this is kind of funny. I hope you guys enjoy this. This is just random personalities of attitudes and clothing that people wear. Hope you guys don't take it to offense. And I'm not gonna lie, I did a lot of this weird stuff when I first started working out. I thought I was the bomb, honestly. Yeah, you guys will realize over time. Trust me, you guys will see. Enjoy this video. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys share this. Actually, one quick question. Let me know what you guys think versus my fitness versus the car videos. I think I'm getting more action with the car videos, and those things are more fun to make. Honestly, fitness is my life. I love it, but I'm not here to tell you guys what to do, but I will give you guys tips if you guys ask for them. So please ask. Please let me know what you guys like. Okay? Stay cool.